Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. OBE Fitness, accessible at obefitness.com, offers a diverse range of online fitness classes catering to various preferences and fitness levels. From high-energy cardio and strength training sessions to calming yoga and Pilates flows, OBE provides a comprehensive workout experience. The platform stands out with its vibrant, retro aesthetic, injecting a fun and engaging element into fitness routines. Subscribers gain access to a vast library of on-demand classes, allowing them to exercise anytime, anywhere, at their own pace. Live classes are also available, fostering a sense of community and real-time interaction with instructors. OBE Fitness understands the importance of flexibility and offers a variety of class durations, ranging from quick 10-minute workouts to more extensive 45-minute sessions. This makes it easy to integrate fitness into even the busiest schedules. The platform emphasizes proper form and technique, providing modifications for different levels to ensure safety and effectiveness. Furthermore, OBE Fitness extends beyond individual workouts by offering programs tailored to specific goals, such as pre- and postnatal fitness, strength building, and improving flexibility. Nutritional guidance and recipes are also available, providing a holistic approach to wellness. With its user-friendly interface and diverse offerings, obefitness.com presents a compelling option for those seeking a vibrant and comprehensive online fitness solution. Their subscription model offers various options, allowing users to choose a plan that aligns with their budget and fitness goals. By combining energetic workouts with a visually appealing platform, OBE Fitness creates a motivating and enjoyable fitness journey for its users. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned fitness enthusiast, OBE's diverse class offerings and tailored programs can help you achieve your health and wellness objectives. Check out obefitness.com today to explore their extensive library and discover the perfect workout for you.